Good morning. The last class we discussed the first lesson, good clean home. We already discussed a good house. What are the things are needed to make a house comfortable, safe and suitable for living? The different things we already discussed. Then today we discuss a clean house, a clean house. Listen here. Every house, big or small, should be kept clean. The first one, all of you listen in your textbook. The first one, curtains. You know curtains? The curtains protect us from dust and too much sunlight. Curtains protect from dust and too much sunlight. They must be washed regularly. They must be washed regularly. Okay, curtains. The next one, the floor must be swept and mopped every day. The floor, the swept and mopped. The floor must be swept and mopped every day. And the third one, bathrooms and toilets must be washed and cleaned daily. They must be kept dry. They must be kept dry. Bathrooms and toilets. Clear? And the next one, waste must only be thrown into dustbin. You know dustbin. Dustbin. Listen. Waste must only be thrown into dustbins and not on the road. And not on the road. And the next one, dustbin should be kept covered. It should be kept covered. They should be emptied every day. The house should be painted or whitewashed regularly. These are the things included a clean house. A clean house. I repeat once more, the last class we discussed a good house. The many things are included a good house. The first one, it should be many windows and doors in a house to let sunlight in. The sunlight kills germs. So, there should be many windows and doors in a house to let sunlight in. And the next one, doors and windows should have wire netting. For examples, the mosquito nets. What is the reason? To keep away flies and mosquitoes. To keep away flies and mosquitoes. And the next one, there should be an open space such as veranda or balcony in a house to let in fresh air. And the next one, the floors of the kitchen and bathroom should be built such that water flows out through drains easily. Okay. The last one, mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. You know what is stagnant? What is stagnant water? Stagnant means forming a pool of standing water. Forming a pool of standing water. And mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and spread disease, many disease. So, kitchen and bathroom drains should be covered well. These are the things included in a good house. Then today we discuss a clean house. Clean house. Then what are the different points? Like that, The first one, curtains protects from dust and too much sunlight. You know dust and too much sunlight. The next one, the floor must be swept and mopped every day. The swept and mopped. And the next one, bathrooms and toilets must be washed and cleaned daily. They must be kept dry. And waste must only be thrown into dustbins and not on the road. All of you listen in your textbook. And the next one, dustbins should be kept covered. They should be emptied every day. The house should be painted or whitewashed regularly. These are the things included. A clean house, every house, big or small, should be kept clean. It should be kept clean. Clear? Yes. Listen here. In your textbook, first I say some words, write some words. Write some words. Please listen here. House. The first one, house. And the second one, sunlight. Sunlight. And third one, germs. Fourth one, doors. Next, windows. Windows. And the next one, wire netting. Wire netting. And next, drains. The next one, stagnant. Stagnant water and mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. And next one, disease. Listen here, there are some words, please listen to me. The first one, house, sunlight, germs, doors, windows, wire netting, drains, stagnant water and mosquitoes. The last one, disease. Then all of you write 5 times in your notebook and study well. Okay. I repeat once more. The first one, house, sunlight, germs, doors, windows, wire netting, drains, stagnant water, mosquitoes, disease. Clear? Yes, very good. And the next one, the word disinfectants. All of you listen here. Then what is disinfectants? It's chemicals. Chemicals. Listen here, near page number 81. Science around us, it's very important. We add disinfectants to the water we use to clean the floor of our house. These disinfectants are chemicals. These are chemicals that kill the germs. It's chemicals that kill the germs. Then we use to clean the floor of our house. Okay, and study well. The next one, new words. New words, listen here. The first one, drains, and second one, breed, and third one, stagnant. Listen here, the new words, drains, breed, stagnant. What is the meaning? Drains, pipes for carrying dirty water away. Pipes for carrying dirty water. Pipes for carrying dirty water away. Drains. And the next one, breed, to produce many young ones. What is the meaning? To produce young ones. To produce young ones. The last one, stagnant, forming a pool of standing water. Forming a pool of standing water. Listen here, these are the new words. I repeat once more. The first one, drains, pipes for carrying dirty water away. Pipes for carrying dirty water. You know dirty water? Yes. And the second one, breed, to produce young ones. To produce young ones. And the third one, stagnant. Third one, stagnant, forming a pool of standing water. Forming a pool of standing water. These are the new words. Then all of you study well. Clear? Yes. And the next one, let us revise. First I read, all of you listen to me. Our house protects from rain, storm, snow, heat and cold. And second one, a house should have many windows and doors. A house should have many windows and doors. Next, kitchen and bathroom drains should be covered. The last one, waste must be thrown in dustbins and not on the road. Waste must be thrown in dustbins and not on the road. Clear? Yes. These are the main points. And the next one, the textbook activities. All of you listen here. Textbook activities. The first one, page number 81, activity A. Activity A. The first one, listen here. Then all of you understand in this lesson. Good clean home. Yes. Okay, ready for the activities like that. The first one, true or false? The first one, sunlight helps germs to grow. Is it correct or wrong? Sunlight helps germs to grow? No, it's a wrong statement and the answer is false. And the second one, a house should have open space such as veranda or a balcony. A house should have open spaces such as veranda or a balcony. Tell me yes. It's the correct answer. True. And the next one, third one, mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Yes, correct. And the fourth one, the floor of the bathroom should be kept dry. It should be kept dry. Yes, it's the correct statement. True. And the last one, dustbin should not be cleared every day. Dustbin should not be cleared every day is the wrong statement, false. Dustbin should be cleared every day. Okay, yes, these are the true or false. Then all of you understand? Yes, write down in your textbook. Okay, and the next one, clear? Yes. And the next one, activity B, filling the blanks. First one, our house protects from rain. Our house protects from rain. Next 3 blanks, 3 and 4. Our house protects from rain, and another answer, yes. Answer is, write only answer, okay. Yes, the answer is storm, heat, storm, heat, cold, snow. Okay. And the second one, our house should be clean and dash. Our house should be clean and safe. Yes, safe, clean and safe. And the third one, dash on windows keeps flies and mosquitoes out of the house. What is the correct answer? Tell me what is the correct answer. And the third one, wire netting. Wire netting on windows keep flies and mosquitoes out of the house. Wire netting. Okay. And the fourth question, the floor of the house should be, the 2 blanks are the dash and dash every day. The floor of the house should be swept and mopped. Swept and mopped. Okay. And the fifth one, the dash and bathrooms in a house must be washed and cleaned daily. Then bathrooms and kitchens. Yes, very good, kitchens. These are the correct answers. Okay, I repeat once more. The first one, our house protects from rain, storm, heat, cold and snow. Okay. And the second one, our house should be clean and safe. Our house should be clean and safe. And the third one, dash on windows keeps flies and mosquitoes out of the house. Wire netting. Wire netting. The fourth one, the floor of the house should be swept and mopped. Swept and mopped every day. The floor of the house. Clear? Yes. And the fifth one, the dash and bathrooms, the kitchens and bathrooms. The kitchens and bathrooms in a house must be washed and cleaned daily. Clear? Yes. Then also write in your textbook. Okay. And the next one, answer these questions. Activity C, answer these questions. The first question, write any 2 things needed for a good house. The first question, write any 2 things. Write any 2 things needed for a good house. We already studied the different things needed for a good house. Okay. Yes, tell me, what are the 2 things? What are the 2 things? The answer is in your textbook. The sunlight kills germs, so there should be many windows and doors in a house to let sunlight in. There should be many doors and windows. And the next one, doors and windows should have wire netting. Doors and windows should have wire netting. Okay. These are the two things. Then find out more other things. Okay. And the next one, second question, why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? Why? What is the reason? Why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? And the answer is, what is the reason? Yes, this is because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and spread disease. What is the reason? What is the reason? It should be drains be covered. Then what is the reason? Yes, because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and spread different disease. Okay. And the third one, why should doors and windows have wire netting? Why should doors and windows have wire netting? The answer is, what is the reason? It's for wire netting to keep away flies and mosquitoes. To keep away flies and mosquitoes. And the next one, where should you throw waste? Where should you throw waste? Listen, we should throw waste in dustbin. Yes. And the last one, why should we use curtains for doors and windows at home? Why should we use curtains for doors and windows at home? What is the reason? Curtains protects from dust and too much sunlight. Too much sunlight. Clear? Okay. Then write. Please listen here. I write only answers. Listen here. The first question, write any two things needed for a good house. What are the two things? Doors and windows should have wire netting. Doors and windows have wire netting. And what are the two things? Yes, the next one, there should be many windows and doors in a house. Sunlight kills germs. So there should be many windows and doors in a house to let sunlight in. Listen here. The first question, please listen here. The first one, what are the two things? Write any two things needed for a good house. The first one, doors and windows should have wire netting. And the next one, sunlight kills germs. So there should be many windows and doors in a house to let sunlight in. These are the first. Okay. And the second one, then all of you listen here. Understand? Yes. Clear? Yes. And the next one, the second question, why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? Because, yes, reason, because mosquitoes Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and spread disease. And spread disease. Okay. And the third one, listen here. Why should doors and windows have wire netting? What is the reason? Wire netting. Then because to, what is the reason? Because to keep away flies and mosquitoes. Yes. And the next one, the fourth one, listen here. Where should you throw waste? Where should you throw waste? We should throw waste. We should throw waste in dustbin. Waste in dustbins. Okay. Please listen here. The second one, why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? Because mosquitoes breed in stagnant water and spread disease. Clear? And the third one, why should doors and windows have wire netting? Because to keep away flies and mosquitoes. To keep away flies and mosquitoes. And the fourth one, where should you throw waste? Where should you throw waste? We should throw waste in dustbins. We should throw waste in dustbins. Clear? All of you clear? Yes. And the last question, why should we use curtains for doors and windows at home? Yes, curtains. The answer is curtains protect from dust and too much sunlight. Listen here. Curtains protects from dust and too much sunlight. Clear? These are the answer these questions. Then all of you write well. Clear and study well. The next one, listen here. The textbook activities is over, and the next one, worksheet. Please listen here. Worksheet. Listen here. The first one, worksheet, the first activity is true or false. The first one, sunlight kills germs. Sunlight kills germs. Activity A, sunlight kills germs. Yes, tell me, yes, true. And the second one, listen here. The doors and windows of a house should not have wire netting. Is it correct? The doors and windows of a house should not have wire netting? No, it's a wrong statement. Wrong statement, false. Yes, and the third one, it's not necessary to keep our house clean. It's not necessary to keep our house clean. Is it correct? No, it's the wrong statement, false. And the next one, the house should be whitewashed regularly. The house should be whitewashed regularly. Is it the correct statement? True. And these are the first activity. All of you listen here and write in your worksheet. Clear? Yes. And the next one, activity B, filling the blanks. The first one, the floors of the dash and dash of a house should be sloping. The floors of the kitchen and bathrooms. Kitchen and bathroom. Yes. And the second one, a house should have some open space like a yes, veranda or a balcony. Veranda or balcony is the correct answer. And the third one, mosquitoes breed in, yes, mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Stagnant water. Stagnant water. Ready? Yes. And the last one, the fourth one, the bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned every day. The answer is bathrooms and toilets. Bathrooms and toilets should be cleaned every day. Clear? Okay. These are the activity B. And the activity C, find 5 words related to a clean house in this word search. Find out 5 words related to clean house. I give a homework for you. Okay? Yes. Okay, all of you clear? Yes. And the next one, I give one or two assignment for you, then all of you listen here. The first one, why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? The first question, why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? And the second one, why should the floors of a house be swept and mopped? Every day. Listen here. Two assignment for you. The first one, why should the kitchen and bathroom drains be covered? And the second one, why should the floors of a house be swept and mopped every day? These are the two assignments. Then all of you find out answers. Okay, all of you find out next class and study well. Then listen here. Today we discuss the first lesson, good clean home. Then all of you study well and read well and write 5 times. Some words are given and write 5 times and study well. And textbook activities, the last one, worksheet. Then all of you study well. Then today I wind up our class. See you in next class. Thank you.